guys, today we're doing some pond fishing and it's freaking almost 80 degrees here in Ohio. So these fish are gonna be moving up for sure. Hopefully we can catch them. I've been out so many times without any bites. So yeah, hopefully we can just, you know, get on a few. Maybe some big ones, you know, they're gonna be spawning soon. If they're not now, I'm sure a few of them are, but yeah, we're gonna go to this local pond, see what we can catch. So that's all I got for you guys. Just stay tuned. Hopefully. Got a simple little Texas rig. That's 12-pound braid. That's the rig today. So pretty much gonna target these the shoreline here. Got a little bit of wind. Not sure what the water temperature is. We should probably look at that. Let's see. Oh wow, it's actually warm. I'm gonna say it's in the 60s. So that's my guess, in the 60s. Low 60s probably. Oh. Oh no! Hey, how did that happen? Why did that happen? Sorry about the gunshots. I'm thinking maybe a gar had that. Very possible. Because as soon as I set the hook, it was just boom, gone. I don't know if you guys can see that. That right there is probably what broke me off. So, just tips. All right, come on. Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh man, I almost walked right on that guy. Getting a bite. Getting a freaking bite too. Oh man, I gotta watch my step. I told you guys there was freaking snakes. Oh, damn it. Damn it, he didn't have it in his mouth all the way. Got him. Oh, it feels pretty good. Not sure what it is. Oh, it's a bass. Whoa, he is just letting me do what I want. He's probably in shock. Okay, well, cool. Awesome. Doesn't look like he's been caught before. All right, guys, I'm gonna get a quick picture and I'm gonna let him go. First fish of the day. Hopefully many more to come. He's got a nice little belly on him. I mean, he's not freaking huge. Probably a pound or so. But oh, now he's getting pissed off. He wants to go. Come on, buddy. Not a bad one. Oh yeah. Awesome. They're not spawning yet. Doesn't look like. His tail wasn't all beat up and everything. He was actually in pretty good shape. Just a little slow, probably from this cold water and in shock from getting caught like that. Yeah, so let's get this crawl out there and see if we can catch any more. About the same size as the other guy. These fish are pretty healthy. That's awesome, guys. Sweet. Right in the top. Oh, just came out. He's been caught before. Oh, wait, nope, maybe that was me. Top of the lips all red. Here we go. Awesome. All right, guys, sorry for the shooting, but man, it's just good to get out here and catch some fish. We're not catching big ones, but it's still fun. We're gonna continue to do that until sunset. Wow, that's annoying. Wow. Another one. Another bite. Dropped it though. Oh, jeez. What? Nope, nope, it's got me wrapped up. All right, number 3. Number 3, baby. Awesome. Little guy. On the Yamamoto, guys. You ever get stuck in a pinch, can't catch fish? Yamamoto will do it, or the stick bait. Any stick bait will do it, really. Here we go, third one of the day. Going back in the water. See, buddy. Awesome. And then that beautiful sunset. Nothing beats this. Whew, this is great. I didn't even know that last fish had it. He just, I was reeling it in, I was done, and then all of a sudden, boom. Freaking just took off with it. Well, that's how you lose your Senko pretty quick. Just throw it through like that. Good to go. Yikes. I let it sit with them for too long. Man. Definitely, that's him, for sure. Got him. Oh, come on, right over the log. Nope, 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 nope. Awesome. Alright, this is getting too easy. Awesome Senko. There we go, another one. Oh, right in the roof of the mouth, baby, yeah. This is the 4th one of the day, I believe, little guy, but you know, we'll take him. Take him. This is the best day I've had in a while since ice fishing. I was catching those little guys, but yeah, let's get him back in the water. It's been a while since I smelled that a nice bass smell, but I can probably sit here all day and just catch them on that Senko. So it's awesome. All right, guys, it was a great day. Caught 4 or 5 fish, not sure. Well, guys, it's springtime. You better get out there, you better fish hard, find them big ones on them beds, and yeah, that's all I gotta say for y'all. I gotta go. I got some family stuff to do. more videos to come. Sorry I haven't put one out in a while, but yeah, that's what you get when you're doing freaking school full-time and, you know, all this crap. But I plan to put out more videos and everything. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time in another video. Jacob Robinson.